at least 35 nationalities. And I'm saying at least because as of now, 2 are unknown. Among the most affected, as you may expect, is Kenya, which had about 32 passengers on board.
Andũ 157 gũkuĩra mũtino-inĩ wa ndege ya Ethiopian Airlines ndagĩka 6 tu thutha wa ndege ĩyo kũmbũka kuma Addis Ababa.
He has been away for some time and his mother has been unwell. He was just coming to visit the family and just see how the mother is doing, and just end up like that. It can be very heavy for us.
Arĩa megwetereire ndũ ao kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Jomo Kenyatta kũgirĩka thutha wa kũnyita riboti ya ndege kũgũa Ethiopia.
Wakati wa lifestyle watu wakasema ni mtu yetu anaonewa. Tukaenda mambo ya mahindi, ni mtu yetu anaonewa.
Mahali ambapo mimi natoka wanatoa vitisho. Wanamweleza kiongozi wa taifa kwamba tangaza msimamo.
Abuge matiganĩte gũkĩrĩra mũnini wa mũtongoria wa bũrũri William Ruto makĩmũria atige kwĩhitha na rũrĩrĩ rwao haro-inĩ ya ungumania. Nanyitanĩra na mwandĩki witũ Ngina wa Wanduru agĩkũrehera kĩgirĩko na mĩtangĩko iria aikari a Kenya ngina gĩtitũ makoretwo makĩgerera.